The rest, please clean as you go. Courtesy to the next user. Let's keep Uncle Group team. Next game, Saturday, same place. Competitors for sa City of Las Marinas, Cavite. Thank you for playing with us.
Gcash pare. Sorry. Kaya na yan. Friends. Update na. Friends. Polycarp ko. Ano time to? Go. Okay. Thank you pare. Ingat ka.
I mean, go time yung tinambay ko pero Gcash. Thank you po.
Sarap pa yung community po ba?
Oo pare. Ano lang to? Walang to club. Parang sino yung gusto salin.
Oo, pwede mag-join ko.
Oo pare. Sa... Ito. Nakado ka ba? Kasi meron kaming mail mock din.
Saan po ba itong gym na?
Tayo ko paano ba? Hindi mo gusto mo na po.
Di ba yun?
Lunch. May ito.
Salam po.
Saan
po magbabayad? Kaya ito magbabayad pag Gcash.
Ay, wait lang po.
Saan magbabayad pag Gcash?
Sa akin pare. Kaya, saan ko lang po. Ilan to? Isa lang?
Salam po.
Nandi Thursday sa Hindi. Ito lang yung sister eh. Kasi may naka-reserve ng isa tayo. Ano last mo?
Jonathan lang.
Yan lang ito na.
Self-score muna yan pare. Pero may timer naman tayo.
Sa'yo na lang yan ko yan.
Class mo na ako. Sige. Basta Saturday, at dito sa GC. Saturday, Thursday,
Magkano po ito ever nakabit?
depende. Minsan meron. Ang pinakamura, 160 kada Monday. Kasi video lang yon. Tapos, pag ito, 220 fixed to. Sa Sabado, either 250 or 290 pag may referee 290.
Gcash po.
Idor. Sige. Change mo, 280. Tapos ikaw, last name.
Malihan. Magkano po? 220. Meron bang GC? Meron pong GC?
Chat mo ako. Pa-add kita. Pa-add ka kasi doon mo update.
Okay. Meron pong Facebook na?
Ay. At mga pare, shot mo lang ako pre.
Ayun po, okay na.
Ingat kayo ah. Right. Ay, di na sumali. Wala na pare. Papawis na lang. Cash ka, di ka. Asan mo lang? Ito lang pare. Okay lang, pre. Kuha ka mo na sino sa labas. Picture naman na lang, pre. Gcash pare. Last name pare.
Anyway, magkano po?
220.
Last 2 minutes change court. Self-score to pare ha. One thing to say, sorry. Okay, once again, this is our last game. As score to see to the next. Renta, please clean as you go, please. Double check your things. Next game natin, Sabado with referee. Saka Monday. Only here at Ampel Drew Sports Center. Nas Marinas, Cavite. Saan mo sa akin?
PM na lang. Pare. Balik, ano to? Aliment? Good pare ah. Thank you. Thank you.
Wala na score. Last 1 minute and 20 seconds before team start. Self-score to pare, self-score. Self-score. Thank you. One minute, team score. Self-score mo na practice ko. One-man team ako.
Jake, ano ba score niya? Send mo na lang screenshot pare ah. Thank you. Ingat pare.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Team score. Ano score nyo? Habulin ko. JJ, may score kayo? Wala. O, score na natin yan. Hindi na nagbabayad eh. Basket, 2 points. Score. JJ. No good. Basket 2 points. Backside 4-0. Naging 0. Okay. Eight minutes remaining. Jake for 3. No good, rebound. Basket 2 points. 6-0. Easy. Ayun, high. 6-0. Second quarter and second half. Hindi na record yung first half. Basket 2 points, 8-0. No good. No good. Two points. 10-0. Baguio. Uy, easy. 10-0. Second ano? Second half. Bawi door side, bawi. Baguio. Jake. George. Pa. Ay. Last 6 minutes. No good. 10-0 pa rin ah. No good. Rivera. No good. No good. Rivera. Oy. 5 minutes and 32 seconds. This is our last game. Once again, those who are done, kindly double check your things, clean as you go. Those who are balanced, kindly settle down. Next game Saturday, ingat pag-uwi. Thank you at wala tayong ulan. Dry na dry. Last 5 minutes, basket 2 points. 12-0, second half. Bawi, door side. Yun. 2 points, 12-2. No good. Rebound. Rebound. No good. Okay, no? Iba lang ano. Basket 3 points. 12-5. Favor of backside pa rin tayo. 4 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Rivera. To Baguio. 2 points. 2 points, no? 12-7. No good. One more. Ay! Sabah. Tawali. 2 points. 14-7. Last 4 minutes. Two points, 16-7. Jake. Refill na kayo ng tumbler ha, sayang yung tubig. Basket 3 points, 10, 15-10. Mahabol, mahabol. 3 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Ay, good. Three points. No good. Rebound. Up. Buhay. Jake. Nice one. Patry ng tres. Sayang. Up. 16-10 score for 3. Okay, no. Rebound. Last 3 minutes. Guys, kuha na kayong tubig ha. 3 points. 19-10. No good. Nice one. No good pa rin. Out of bounds. 19-10 in favor of backside. Bawi, door side. Rivera. Basket, 2 points. 19-12. Oh, thank you. Take the shot. Sawali. Pedro. No good. Rivera. Last 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Oy, basket 2 points. Abol. 14-19. 5 na lang na ba? No good. Last 2 minutes, man. Basket, 3 points. 3 points, diba? 19-17. Nakabol. Oy! Sagot ka kay coach ano? Laban. Easy. Baguio, Tumalangano. Good. For 3. Basket. 19-20. Lamang ng door side man. For 3. Wow! 1, 2, 3. 22, 20. Pwede mo gawin natin naman. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Ay, ingat. Yung mga bawi, ingat siyempre ha. See you Saturday. Wala. Wow!
Roy, 8-0 na.
Ay, ito last ito. Okay. Okay. Last shot. Okay, thank you. Pakata tayo, mini guy next. Thank you. Okay. Nice one.